2 3
See, for the number to be divisible by 6, it should be simultaneously divisible by both 2 and 3. A number must be simultaneously. Simultaneously means साथ में. For a number to be divisible by 6, उसको 2 और 3 से भी divisible होना पड़ेगा. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See. Is it divisible by 6?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you tell? Because इसके यूनिट डिजिट में 6 है, which means ये 2 से भी डिविजिबल है, और जब इसका सम करते हैं तो 9 आ रहा है, which means ये 3 से भी डिविजिबल है. So when a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, it will be divisible by 6. चलो Ayushi, tell me, will this number be divisible by 6? हाँ?
No, ma'am.
Huh?
How come no? See, 2 से तो होगा ही because यूनिट डिजिट पे 4 है. अब 3 से होने के लिए we just have to do this. This will be equals to 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 is divisible by 2. So 2 से भी है और 3 से भी है divisible 114. So वो 6 से भी होगा. अब समझ आया कैसे फाइंड करना है?
Yes, ma'am.
सी आयुषी, सबसे पहले बेटा आपको ये वाला प्लेस देखना है, वंस वाली प्लेस देखनी है कि वहां पर कौन कौन से 2 के डिविजिबिलिटी में नंबर्स होने चाहिए यूनिट्स प्लेस पे. 0 2 4 6 8, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर 0 2 6 4 8 कोई भी नंबर यूनिट्स प्लेस पे है, दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. अब 3 के लिए भी फिर चेक करना है. यू हैव टू ऐड ऑल द नंबर्स, एंड इफ दैट sum is divisible by 3, you will know that the number is also divisible by 3. So when the number is simultaneously divisible by 2 and 3 both, it is divisible by 6 also. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ayushi, is
ma'am.
it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, 118. Tell me if it is divisible by 6 or not.
No, ma'am.
No, क्योंकि ये नंबर 2 से तो डिविजिबल है. चलो डिविजिबल बाय 2, बट लेट अस चेक फॉर 3. व्हाट इज द सम?
Ma'am, 10.
10. So 10 is not divisible by 3. Therefore we can say that the number is not divisible by 6. अगर वो 2 से है और वो 3 से नहीं है, तब भी वो 6 से नहीं होगा. दोनों से होना जरूरी है. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? All of you. Aisha, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alicia, you have to switch on your camera. Then only you can continue with the class. चलो, by 9. Divisibility by 6 is clear. Then we move on to divisibility by 9. See, divisibility by 9 is same as the divisibility by 3. The sum of all the digits should be divisible by 9. जैसे 3 के divisibility के लिए सारा sum जो है वो equal होना चाहिए, वो divisible होना चाहिए था 3 से. वैसे ही the sum of all the digits should be divisible by 9 to be should be divisible by 9. See, is 29 divisible by 9? Is 29 divisible by 9?
No, ma'am.
No.
Why? Have you added 9 plus 2 is 11, and is 11 does 11 come in the table of 9? No, right? 11 is
No,
not divisible by 9. Hence, 29 is also not divisible by 9. Okay, good. Chalo, check for this number. Is this number divisible by 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayushi and Aisha, I want the answer from you both now. What will
Okay,
you
ma'am.
do? What will you do to check the divisibility by 9?
We will add them.
Then just add them.
Huh. What is the sum coming as?
18.
Ma'am, 18.
18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So the number is divisible by 9. Clear ho gaya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then moving on, we have divisibility by 10. Can I erase this now?
Ma'am, the last digit should be 0 only.
हाँ, 10 का तो बहुत सिंपल है. The last digit should be 0 only. The last number or the number at the units place. The last number नहीं बोलते उसको, last digit. Sorry.
Ma'am, at units place.
हाँ. Ayushi, tell me, is 81 divisible by 10?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am, it is divisible by 10.
हाँ. So if the last digit or the digit at the units place is 0, then the number will be divisible by 10. Okay. Then moving on, we have divisibility rule or the divisibility by 11. Okay. See, to check whether the number is divisible by 11 or not, हम लोग उसके इवन प्लेस पे जो डिजिट्स हैं उसका सम करते हैं और जो ऑड प्लेस पे डिजिट्स हैं उसका सम करते हैं, दोनों का सम निकालते हैं. इफ द एंड देन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट दो सम्स. ठीक है, वेट, आई विल टेल यू विद द एग्जांपल. 1331. 1331. Now tell me, what are the digits at the even place? Second and the fourth. या फिर ऐसे ले सकते हो, सेकेंड एंड द फोर्थ. ठीक है, सो आपने 1 + 3 किया, कितना आया?
4.
हाँ, अब और आपने अब नेक्स्ट वाली, अब आपने ऑड प्लेसेस किया 1 and 3, है ना. 1 फर्स्ट प्लेस एंड द थर्ड प्लेस को ऐड किया. समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes.
Now you added the number in the first place and the third place in the odd places. That is 1 and 3. What is the answer? 4. अब दोनों का आंसर का आपको डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. You have to find the difference. आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. Is the difference coming as 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So the number will be divisible by 11. अगर वो 0 आता है या कोई मल्टीपल आता है 11 का, वेट मैं और एग्जाम्पल से आपको क्लियर करती हूँ. Yes. Whole number and a proper fraction. चलो, one number is this. फर्स्ट, सबसे पहले ऑड वाली पोजीशंस ऐड करो. फर्स्ट पोजीशन में कौन सा नंबर है? Add the odd positions. फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे ये है, सेकंड पे ये है और थर्ड पे ये है. तो ऑड वाली पोजीशंस कौन सी हुई?
1.
फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड, राइट. फर्स्ट और थर्ड पोजीशन ऑड वाली पोजीशन हुई ना.
Yes, ma'am.
तो अब इन दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करो आपस में, क्या आंसर आ रहा है?
12.
12. और सेकेंड वाली नंबर के साथ और कोई भी नंबर नहीं है तो उसका आंसर भी 1 ही आएगा ना.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have to subtract 12 by 11. You have to subtract, 12 and 1. What are you getting as the answer?
11.
11. Is 11 the multiple of 11? 11 की टेबल में आता है, मल्टीपल है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So 814 will be divisible by 11. Clear हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, check for this number. Add the numbers at the odd position and then at the even position.
Ma'am, it is not divisible by 11.
Okay, let's check. This is the first and the third position. 2 plus 2 will be 4. And 8 plus 4. How much is 8 plus 4?
12.
12.
12.
12.
Now subtract 12 and 4. What do we get?
8.
8.
8. Is 8 a multiple of 11?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
and it is not 0 also. 8 is not 0 and 8 is not equals to, is not a multiple of 11. So this number will not be divisible by 11. So 11 की divisibility rule समझ आई?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayushi, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha, is it clear to you or should I give one more example?
It is clear.
Okay, then let's do an exercise based. So these all are the numbers जिसके divisibility rules हमें बताए गए हैं. Now let's do the examples. Sorry, let's do some questions on the divisibility rules. Quickly solve.
Ma'am, I have solved.
Okay, wait, let others also complete.
Amina. Amina.
5 minutes and then I will not give you any more time. Quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have solved.
Okay, wait, beta. Let others also do. Quickly solve and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, may I?
No, you may not right now, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhai, Aisha and Ayushi, how much time will you both take?
Ma'am, I'm doing the last two. Ma'am, I got all the answers.
And I also.
Ayushi done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayushi, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me for the first one, is 784 divisible by 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because the last two digits, जो उसकी last two digits हैं, it is divisible by 4. Good. Okay, is 1026 divisible by 3?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, because their sum is 9, hence it is divisible by 3. Then we have, is 12,340 divisible by 10?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Tell me, Ayushi, why is it divisible by 10?
मैम इसके लास्ट डिजिट में 0 है.
Last digit में 0 है. Good. Okay, is 3432 divisible by 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Because on adding, what do we get on adding 3, 4, 3, 2?
12. Ma'am, 12.
12, and 12 is divisible by 3.
3.
और last digit तो 2 है ही है. So that is divisible by 2 also. Hence it is divisible by 6. Okay. Now is 81928 divisible by 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 81928 is divisible by 11. Okay, I will solve the 11 wali questions. Ayushi,
Ma'am,
what answer? Ayushi, what answer
Yes.
are you getting? This is the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth place. We will add the odd places. 8 plus 9 plus 5. Sorry.
This is 20.
Tell me what is 8 plus.
Ma'am, it is 25.
25, okay. And what is 2 plus 1?
And 3.
3. 25 minus 3 is equals to 20.
2.
And 22.
22, which is a multiple of 11. 22 is a multiple of 11. Therefore, 81928 is divisible by 11. Chalo, tell
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
is 5243 divisible by 11?
No, ma'am.
Ayushi, what is your answer coming as?
Ma'am, 2.
It is not divisible by 11. Is 444 divisible by 11?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is divisible by 11.
No, ma'am, it's
How
not
can
divisible.
it be? How can it be divisible by 11? The answer is 4. We are getting the answer as 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
4
ma'am,
is
yes, ma'am.
not 0 or a multiple of 11, so it is not divisible by 11. Ayushi, जब आप ऐसा नंबर देखो, because 22, 33, 42, 44, आपको पता है ये वाले नंबर्स डिविजिबल होते हैं. दैट डज नॉट मीन्स कि ये ट्रिपल डिजिट्स भी इक्वल होंगे, डिविजिबल होंगे. यू हैव टू चेक. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me, is 163 divisible by 6?
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
This 163 is not divisible by 2 or neither divisible by 3 nor 2, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we have prime factorization. Now you know how to check the divisibility. Now you will be very easily splitting the numbers. And देखो, मैंने prime numbers बताए थे. Prime numbers क्या होते हैं? Tell me.
Ma'am, prime numbers are those numbers that can be divisible by 2 numbers only. 1 and itself.
1 and itself. The numbers जिसके factors divisible अभी बोल सकते हो, ठीक है? जिसके factors सिर्फ 1 हो या वो नंबर खुद हो, उसको प्राइम नंबर्स बोलते हैं. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मींस नंबर को तब तक स्प्लिट करते रहना जब तक उसका जो लास्ट पार्ट है वो प्राइम नंबर्स ना आ जाए. सी 36 is a number and split 36 into 2 parts.
Yes, ma'am.
Split 36 into 2 parts. Do we get 6 into 6 is equals to 36?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
To the ones, 2 threes are.
Now we have to split 6 also, and we
Two
will
threes
do
are-
the splitting. 2 into 3 is 6, correct? We have
Now,
to
now
do
we
this.
cannot.
Now we cannot because the 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. So we have to split until and unless we get prime numbers as our last numbers. Clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
Now we can write this write it as like write this as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
Ma'am, you
Check.
didn't write into 6 into 6.
No, we will not write 6 into 6. This will be the product of prime numbers only. Check the answer. Check and tell me, are you getting 36?
36.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How come? No.
2 to 4, 4
Ma'am,
3 7.
36.
Yes,
4
ma'am, it is
into
36.
9.
Sorry.
4 into 9, simple 36.
Ma'am, 36.
Huh? So you don't have to take 6 into 6. You are just factorizing. Last वाले numbers ही लेने हैं, सिर्फ prime numbers. Prime factorization means we have to factor it into the prime numbers only. We have to find only the prime factors. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ये clear हुआ prime factorization करना कैसे. Number को split करते जाना है unless and until we get the prime numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you give some questions?
Of course I will give.
Thank you, ma'am.
Who is this? Thank you, ma'am. चलो, prime factorize 48. Prime make a factor tree. ठीक है, make a factor tree. जो अभी मैंने बनाया था 36 का, that is only what factor tree is. So make that factor tree. फोर्टी एट कितना टाइम्स होता है? 6 8 48 होता है कि नहीं होता है?
मैम 48 का आ रहा है 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 times 2 into 3.
How many times? 2?
3 times.
मैम
No, not 3 times. चलो,
मैम
we'll
4
do.
times.
Okay, we'll do.
5
ठीक है,
times.
चलो दिस विल बी. तो चलो, ये 6 into 8 होता है 48. तो हमने इसको पहले स्प्लिट कर लिया. अब 6 को स्प्लिट करेंगे तो 6 तो इजिली स्प्लिट हो जाता है 2 into 3 में. नाउ वी विल स्प्लिट 8. 8 किस में स्प्लिट होगा? 4 into 2 कर सकते हैं. कैन वी डू 4 into 2?
Yes,
अरे
ma'am.
भाई, हाँ. अब ओनली 2 इज तो प्राइम नंबर, इसको यहीं पर ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे. बस 4 को भी फर्दर करेंगे क्योंकि 4 हो सकता है. सो 4 विल बी 2 into 2. अब जितने भी प्राइम नंबर्स हैं वो सारे प्राइम नंबर्स लेने हैं. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो 2 to the power
But
4
ma'am,
into 3. You can write this as 2 to the power 4 into 3. क्योंकि 2 को कितने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो?
4.
4 times.
4 times. Yes. So we can write 2 to the power 4 into 3 also. अब चलो 90 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. आयुषी, I want the answer from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone quickly solve.
Ma'am, it is 2 times 3 into 2 into 5.
Answer only when I ask you to. Solve all the questions. Quickly solve. Ayushi, have you done for 90?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good, Alisha.
Ma'am, completed.
Very good, Alisha. Okay, Ayushi, tell me for 90. Very easy. It is तो very easy. 90 वाला सबसे easy है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, quickly do and tell me. Alisha,
Power.
Ma'am,
बेटा चेक प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से ही HCF फाइंड करना है. Check in your book that you have to find the HCF using prime factorization only, or there is some other method.
ma'am, there is factor tree method, division method, and yes, division method and factor tree method.
For finding the HCF.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Then we will do all the methods.
Ma'am, it is prime factorization method,
Ma'am,
short division method, and long division method.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, I will do. Hanji,
Ma'am.
Ayushi,
the answer is 90.
you have done for 90. चलो, tell me for 90. सबसे पहले किन नंबर्स में स्प्लिट होगा?
2 into 30.
हाँ,
3 into 30.
Ma'am, 3 into 30. Yes, ma'am. 3 into 30. Then
आप लोग इतना डिफिकल्ट जाने से अच्छा सीधा ये कर लो. 10 into 9 is 90. 10 into 9 को 90 कर दो और फिर 10 को स्प्लिट कर दो 2 into 5 में और 9 को स्प्लिट कर दो 3 into 3 में. ये तो आ गया प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. ये 5 भी प्राइम नंबर आ गया है, 2 भी प्राइम नंबर आ गया है. So this will be 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. This will be the prime factorization of 90. Everyone is getting this as the answer. Ayushi, what is wrong? Tell me.
no, ma'am, nothing is wrong.
अगर आपने कुछ अलग numbers लिए हैं, like Alisha, what number have you taken?
Ma'am, I had taken 3 into 30.
3 into 30. Okay. Like she has done into 3 into 30. 3 is a prime number. उसको यहीं पर छोड़ देंगे. इसको फिर हम 3 into 10 कर देंगे. फिर इसको हम कैसे करेंगे? 2 into 5. We will get 3 into 3, 2 into 5. That is the same. That is the same. You can take any number. अच्छा, you can take 2 into 45 also. 2 into 45 also आप ले सकते हो. 2 into 45 check. Is 2 into 45 90?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आप 45 को स्प्लिट करोगे तो 8 into 5 होता है ना. सॉरी,
5 into 9.
9 into 5 is 45. फिर 9 को स्प्लिट कर दो 3 में. सेम आंसर आया 2, 5, 3 and 3. सेम, यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर. आप चाहे जिस नंबर में स्प्लिट करो, आपको प्राइम फैक्टर सेम ही मिलेगा. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
आयुषी, समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now do for 99 and 120 quickly.
Ma'am, completed.
हाँ, wait बेटा, let others also do.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, completed.
चलो 99 का मुझे बताओ. सीधा प्राइम फैक्टर्स बताओ 99 के.
Ma'am,
190.
And this is 3 into 3 into 11.
ma'am, 66.
हाँ,
Ma'am, answer.
क्या आंसर है?
Ma'am,
It
63.
is 19. 9 and the factors are prime factors 3 into 3 into 11.
Aisha, what are you getting as the prime factors of 99?
Ma'am, I did
Yes.
not solve that.
Solve na. You said
I
I have
solved
solved.
20.
Solve quickly for 99 also.
Okay.
आयुषी, what are you getting? बेटा आपका आंसर गलत है. आप इसको स्प्लिट करो 99 को. 99 कैसे आ सकता है? 99 आप किस टेबल में आता है? चेक. 99 comes in 11 की टेबल 9 times. See, 11 is a prime factor. We will leave it over there only. And then 9 is not a prime factor. We will split 9. 3 into 3 is 9, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have got the answer. ये तीनों prime factors मिल गए हैं हमें. 3 into 3 into 11. This is the prime factors. What is so difficult in that? You just have to split the numbers. Chalo, Ayushi, now I want the answer from you for 120. Otherwise, we will keep doing the question.
Huh?
Okay.
चलो आयुषी जल्दी 120 सॉल्व करो, स्प्लिट करो. कौन से दो नंबर्स में आ सकता है 120?
Yes, ma'am.
यू कैन टेक एनी नंबर. 2 के टेबल में भी जाएगा, 4 के में भी जाएगा, 5 में भी जा रहा है, 10 में भी जा रहा है, 12 में भी जा रहा है. यू कैन टेक एनी नंबर एंड स्प्लिट दिस.
Ma'am, completed.
Yes, Alisha, correct answer. हाँ आयुषी, tell.
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into 3 into.
How many times 2?
Ma'am, 3 times.
Okay, then
Then 3 into 5.
very good. Very good, Ayushi. Okay, now see, I will split this into 12 into 10. ठीक है, मैं 12 और 10 में split करूंगी. फिर 12 will be splitted into. Tell me 12 किस में split करूं?
Ma'am, 2 6.
Okay, 2 6 are 12. 10 will be 2 into 5. 6 will be 2 into 3. And we got that. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Is prime factor clear? Is factor tree clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will find HCF using prime factorization. HCF दो numbers के बीच में find होता है. HCF we find HCF between two numbers. ठीक है, highest common factor. HCF is known as highest common factor. सबसे बड़ा common factor कौन सा है, यानी कौन सा सबसे बड़ा ऐसा factor है जो दोनों numbers को divide करता है completely. That is known as highest common factor.
1.
Firstly, simply make a factor tree या फिर सीधा prime factorization अगर कर सकते हो, Do the prime factorization of 40 and 60. Quickly. Quickly prime factorize 40 and 60. Are you all factorizing with the help of a factor tree only?
Ma'am,
Chalo.
I have.
Chalo. For 40, we can write this as 4 into 10. 4 को split करेंगे 2 into 2 में और 10 को split करेंगे 2 into 5 में. ये सारे prime factors आ गए. So 40 will be equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Is everyone getting this answer only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's split this. How have you split this one?
Ma'am, 6 into 10.
Okay, let's do 60 into 10 only. चलो कोई और other way बता सकता है?
No, ma'am, 6 into 10.
6 into 10, sorry, हाँ. अच्छा, tell me some other way to find
2 into 30.
2 into 30. We can do 2 into 30 और 2 तो है ही है. 3 into 10 and 2 into 5. What are the prime factors? 2
Yes, ma'am.
into
3, 2, 3, 5.
This is the prime factors of 60. सबका आ गया है?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Same आया है?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have.
Check, have I made any mistake? What other answer are you getting, Alisha?
No, ma'am, it's fine, but I have used other method.
So you must have done it wrong. The answers
No,
will
ma'am,
be only.
it is right.
हाँ. चलो, now circle the common factors. जो भी common factors हैं उनको circle करो quickly.
Ma'am, it is 2 into 5.
चलो, wait. Let's write them together. Let's write both the factorization together. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. And 60 के लिए 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. अब दोनों में कौन से factors आ रहे हैं? You
2.
have to find the pairs. आपको pairs find करने हैं. 2 आ रहा है एक बार, 2 आ रहा है 2 times, and फिर ये तो common नहीं है, 5 is common. ये सारे common है ना? You have to pair the numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
2 का एक पेयर है, 2 का दो पेयर है, and there is 1 5 का पेयर. So the common factors are 2, 2 and 5. 2 into 2 into 5 are the common factors. Multiply this and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it is 20.
20.
20.
So the HCF will be 20. HCF is 20. समझ आया कैसे इस मेथड से HCF फाइंड करते हैं?
Ma'am, I have used this method.
बेटा अभी I am teaching prime factorization, so I want you to use this only. I will teach all the methods. आपको एग्जाम में मेंशन होता है. In exam you get questions like find HCF using prime factorization. So you have to know this also.
Okay, ma'am.
चलो. Let me give you one other. Ayushi and Aisha, both of you have understood?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, now let's do some other questions and we will be more clear about HCF using prime factorization. We don't have that much time that I can teach you with long division method also. इतना time नहीं है, तो on Monday we will study about that. चलो.
Okay, ma'am.
12, 18 and 30 are the three numbers and find the HCF of these numbers. इस HCF find करना है इन numbers में. 12, 18 and 30. Quickly. Quickly prime factorize all the three numbers.
Ma'am, it's 6.
Okay, wait. ट्वेल्व का कर लिया सबने? Okay, waiting.
Ma'am, I got the HCF.
Ayushi, have you completed? I will do when everyone is when everyone has completed.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
आयुषी,
Yes, ma'am, completed.
चलो 12 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन बताओ क्या होगा?
2 into 2 into 3.
2 into 2 into 3. हाँ. 18 का क्या होगा?
2 into
It
3
is
into 2.
3 into 3.
What about 30?
2 into 3 into 5.
Ma'am, it is 2 into 3 into 5.
2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now let's write this. Ayushi, look here carefully. See, ये सारे प्राइम फैक्टर्स हैं. 2 is common in all. एक पेयर हमें 2 का मिल गया, so 2. अब 3 देखो, इसमें और किसी में 2 नहीं है, इसमें 2 है, so this will be eliminated. 3 है, 3 सब में है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
3 का भी वो बन गया ग्रुप, so this will be 2 into 3. अब 3 और 5 and 2 is left, और बाकी पेयर भी नहीं बन रहा है, so this will be 2 into 3 only, which is 6. HCF is coming as 6. Is everyone getting this answer only?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Aisha, are you getting this answer only?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, write one question as your homework and do that question. Ayushi, I want you to sincerely practice the question. Unless and until you practice the question thoroughly 2-3 times, you will not be able to do this. Okay? You have to be quick. चलो, I want the answers on Monday. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से ही इन सारे नंबर्स का HCF निकालना है. This is the first question. This is the second. Find HCF of 32 and 80. Find HCF of 18 and 45. फिर find HCF of 20, 40 and 90. ठीक है, ये 3 questions हैं और मुझे तीनों का आंसर चाहिए. Write down the questions quickly.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Everyone has written. If you have written, you can leave the class. Thank you so much for joining.